Bring me some more ale.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Disney Dream. We've been enjoying Pirate Night and the goodies and desserts that come with it. But now, we're down to our last day at sea. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Expedition Disney. We've been to Nassau and to Castaway Cay, and the trip has been amazing and a lot of fun. But we're now down to our last day at sea. So, after catching a quick breakfast out on the back of the ship, it's time to run around and see the things that we've wanted to see one last time, and experience a few new things that we haven't gotten around to yet.
After we both roamed around yesterday and found the outside area. Well, I had spotted the outside area a lot yesterday.
What? One of Cason's favorite things to do on the ship doesn't really involve any of the attractions or entertainment. Of course, as a 2-year-old, one of the most fun things you can do is just run around and explore and be your wild and crazy self. And of course, that's one thing we're going to do on our last day. What's that? Of course, he'll be angry with us by the time we're finished, Peanut. The Disney Dream obviously has lots to explore and see. But while we're exploring, we decided to indulge in one of the games on the ship. Much like Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom, the Disney Dream offers a fun, interactive scavenger hunt style game. You can either play a Muppet story or a Mickey and Friends story. We decided to play the Mickey and Friends story, and we're hunting for lost art, stolen by a Disney villain. And we had to figure out who. Well, that's the only reason you need for...
This was 3.
Who?
Right?
Captain Hook.
Jafar. And Dr. Facilier.
Oh, I don't know if we want to see through the window.
Yay, we did it!
Of course, we couldn't say goodbye to the Disney Dream without heading out to one of Cason's most favorite places, the Nemo Splash Play area. The child spent a lot of his time here, and we weren't going to get away with our last day without letting him go play again. For our last dining experience on the cruise, we're headed to Royal Palace. another quite opulently themed restaurant where the food, the atmosphere, and of course the service were nothing short of magical.
Do animal. Wait, let's do all the Muppets first and then Cason can do it.
Okay.
Alright, can you do Kermit?
Yay.
Can you do Fozzie? Because I'm trying to make him do the Muppets before I let him play with the camera. Nope, Daddy did not bring the wipes down.
Take all of our napkins.
Folks, our last day at sea went by like a blur, and now it's the morning of our last day on the Disney Dream.
Where the dining room team has been following you from restaurant to restaurant, making sure that
Hi, Peanut.
we hope you've enjoyed all the dining rooms, whether it's been in
No.
Are we back in Cape Canaveral?
Panorama's palette with the amazing show elements for Enchanted Garden. We really
You don't know where we are, do you?
Daddy, Pluto.
Daddy Pluto. This is our last day with the ocean water. I'm gonna go have breakfast and then we gotta get off the boat. Casey, did we have fun on this cruise? Did you have a lot of fun on this boat? Yeah. Mickey has a pretty good boat, huh? Yeah? Animal. Cason has had a big time on this ship. We've done a lot of fun things. Alright, let's go down and get breakfast. Luckily, we were allotted one last breakfast in the place where we dined last night, the Royal Palace. And we got to see Shauna and our favorite servers one last time.
Mimi's not ready yet.
Okay.
Say Mickey.
Yep. We got our funny face. Where's your funny face? Thank you.
Mean.
Wow, look at Chip. Look at Chip and Mickey. Got Chip and Dale and Mickey and Minnie in there. So shake he wants hands. To shake your hands. Yeah, we go around church and shake hands. Yeah, he wants to shake hands.
Yeah, buddy. Now, well, you gonna give hugs too?
Thank you. Can I get a hug too?
Oh yeah, we're a lover in this one. Yeah.
Good job, Peter.
Someone else to hug?
Say it again. Bye, people.
Bye, people.
Bye, people. Bye, elevator. Oh, the elevator's way up there. Bye, Shiny. Bye, Shiny. Bye, bye, Mickey Boat.
Bye, people.
Bye, Donald.
Bye, Donald. Bye, Donald.
Bye, Donald Duck. Let go.
Ladder.
Buzz Lightyear. Good day, kiss. Say bye-bye, Nemo Water. Bye-bye.
It's been a short trip in the grand scheme of things, but we've made memories that we'll keep with us for the rest of our lives. So, while we wait to disembark, Cason and I just had to go around the ship one last time and say goodbye to all our favorite attractions and things that we played with and made memories with while we were here.
Bye-bye, Nemo.
Bye, Dory.
Bye, Dory. Careful. Bye-bye, Mickey Boat. Love you.
Did you say bye-bye, turtle? Bye-bye, Nemo?
Woody Buzz.
Folks, thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. It's time for us to head out. I think we should head out in the same style that we came in. See you later, folks.